Thanks for watching. At the end of this video, I am going to tell you about the contest winners. So make sure you wait until you hear the contest, especially if you were participating in our contest. Managing blood sugar levels is a delicate balancing act. Sometimes it is easy to predict which foods will send your blood sugar levels soaring. Things like donuts, candy, fruit juice, for example, right? But other times you may be surprised. So, for example, white bread can be just as bad as candy when it comes to blood sugar spikes. That is because it is made with refined flour, which body metabolizes quickly, turning into sugar, which is causing rapid rise in your blood sugar. So, not any different than candy. So, the next time you're planning a meal, take a closer look at the carbohydrates on your plate. You may be surprised to find that some of your favorite foods are actually diabetes traps. Let's now talk about foods that you may think are innocent foods. Number one, bananas. Now, bananas are often thought as a healthy snack, and while they do have some nutritional value, it is important to remember that they are also high in sugar and carbs. Now, if you're watching your blood sugar, it is best to eat a green or unripe banana, and these contain, less sugar and more resistant starch, which can help blunt that blood sugar spike. And of course, everyone is different, so it is best to start with half a banana or a very small one to see how your blood sugar responds. And when you have the option, reach for the one that is on the greener side, because the riper the banana, the higher the chance of blood sugar spike. Non-dairy milks. If you're living with diabetes, you may be looking for alternatives to cow's milk, right? But non-dairy milks can be a great option, yet it's important to know that some of them can be high in carbs. That's because they often don't have the same fat and protein content as the cow's milk does. And as you know, protein and milk slows down the sugar from spiking. So if you're choosing a non-dairy milk, be sure to check the label and choose the one that fits into your diabetic diet. Number three is coffee. As any coffee lover knows, there's nothing like a cup of joy that you get to get your day started. But for those with type 2 diabetes, that morning cup of coffee may have an unexpected consequence, a spike in blood sugar levels. While the exact mechanism is not fully understood, it is believed that the caffeine in the coffee helps to release glucose storage from the liver due to glucagon and cortisol release, resulting in sudden increase in your blood sugar. While this effect is typically, short-lived, but it can be problematic for those who are trying to keep their blood sugar level under control, especially in the morning. Number four, instant oatmeal. Now, if you're looking for a whole grain option that won't spike your blood sugar, steel-cut oats are a great choice. They're rich in fiber, which helps to slow down the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream as long as you control your portion. And since they are whole grain, they provide all of the essential nutrients that your body needs. Just be sure to avoid instant oats, as they often have added sugar and other ingredients that cause spikes in your blood sugar levels. Steel-cut oats are the best type of oats to choose if you're looking for something that is healthy and won't spike your blood sugar levels. If you like what you heard so far, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Put your 2 cents in the comment section below. Number five, salad dressings. If you're like me, you love a good salad. Lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, yummy, right? What is a salad without dressing? But did you know that your favorite salad dressing could be a sneaky culprit in causing blood sugar spikes? Well, that's right. Many popular salad dressings are loaded with sugar, which can cause your blood sugar to spike to the sky and leave you feeling tired and sluggish. The next time you're at the grocery store, please take a closer look at the labels on your favorite salad dressing. You may be surprised to find how much sugar they contain. And if you are really looking to avoid sugar, you can always make your own dressing at your own home. Just be sure to use the sugar-free ingredients. Number six, brown rice. Well, there's a common saying among people with diabetes: go brown to stay down. The idea is that by choosing brown foods over white ones, you can help keep your blood sugar levels in check. After all, brown rice is better than white rice, right? Well, not necessarily. While it is true that brown foods are generally healthier than the white ones, when it comes to blood sugar levels, they are not necessarily any better. In fact, they can sometimes be just as bad, if not worse. That is because all carbohydrates, whether they are brown or white, are broken down into glucose in the body, which can then raise blood sugar levels. So while you might think that you are doing your blood sugar a favor by eating brown rice or brown sugar or brown whatever, you may be disappointed at the end. Number 7, fruit juice. Now, fruit juices are not good. Why? Fruit itself is healthy, right? The same cannot be said for the fruit juices though. They are often loaded with sugar and cause blood sugar spike in a major way. Now, if you tried everything and you're still out of luck, you gotta try something different. Try the SugarMD Advanced Glucose Support. SugarMD Advanced Glucose Support is a medicinal food. So taking it with your foods will lower your chances of blood sugar spikes drastically. So if you don't believe me, well, you should try. Yes, thanks for joining our contest. So all you have to do, click, 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 you win. Now, everybody wins. Now, there are some special people who actually won 1 in 20 entries, and one person had up to 10 entries, right? So your chances are very high. So we didn't have a lot of entries actually, as I expected, but it's good enough, and we have the winners. I'm declaring the winners right now. So Brianna Allentown from Pennsylvania, Mary Tiffin from Ohio, Mary Kay from Missouri, Susan from Honolulu, Robin M from Las Vegas, Cindy G in Boise, Susan Warner from Georgia, Claudia from Winter Garden, Florida, Barbara in Riverview, Florida, Lola is Chelmsford, I think, Shanna from Huntsville, Alabama, Miriam from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, Louis, Brooklyn, New York, and Brian in Port Richey, Florida. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.